Hey everyone, welcome to Monarch Mom DIY. This is Cindy. If you're new here, a special welcome to you. Hit that subscribe button and the bell. Today I am using two products that were sent to me by burlapfabric.com. I will link them in the description box. The first craft is using 6 of these pennant triangles that are strung on jute twine, some stencil letters from Walmart, a paint marker, and some of these burlap roses from Hobby Lobby. Here you can see the 4-inch stencil letters. They are paper. These pennant triangles are amazing. They have a plastic coating on the back so that you can paint on them and it won't leak through. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my stencil letters to spell the word family. I simply punched out the letter from the center and I'm lining each one up in the same spot on the burlap pennant triangles. I can't say enough good things about the quality of these burlap pennants. They're just very thick, the weave is very close, and I'm excited to make this farmhouse banner for my fireplace mantle. If you didn't already see the opening of the box that came to me from burlapfabric.com, I will link that in the description box below as well. These pennant triangles actually come in a pack of 12, and I'm only using 6 for this project. Once I got all 6 of my letters traced, I'm just going back now with my painter's black marker and going over the outline again. I was going to completely color in each letter with the marker, but I decided I was going to just do the outline and then fill it in with some of my black chalk paint. I don't know if you can tell, but these pennant triangles are about 12 inches tall. They're a really good size, and like I said before, very durable, great quality. All right, so I didn't show you, but I did fill in each letter then with my black Waverly chalk paint. And now I'm just taking the jute string that is on each pennant triangle, and I'm just doing a simple knot and tying them together to spell the word family. And my last step for this project is I'm taking the white burlap roses that are from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just hot gluing one between each letter just to give it a little added touch. The next project is using this roll of burlap, 3 of these frames from the Dollar Tree, and this wall sticker. I was super excited when I spotted these frames at my Dollar Tree. They have an actual wood look to them. However, I came to soon realize that it's like wood paper, not wood picture paper, but it really feels like wood, but it's really thin on top of plastic. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, I liked the look of them, but I didn't like this shiny plastic. So I noticed that it seemed pretty easy to take off. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just removing the silver plastic from each of the 3 frames. And this is what they look like without the silver. Much improved. So peeling the plastic off from around the frame did leave a little bit of adhesive, but I just took some sandpaper and tried to get as much of that off as I could. Once I did that, I did take my Waverly black chalk paint again and just go around the edges of each frame to cover up any of that silver or any adhesive that was still there. I'm curious if any of you have seen these frames at your Dollar Tree. There were only a few, so not like a whole normal thing that they carry. The next thing I'm doing here, so it's not too dark, is dry brushing some white chalk paint and then sanding it a little bit to give it a rustic farmhouse look. This step is completely your choice. You could paint the entire frame white. You could dry brush like this. You could leave it the brown wood color, whichever you choose. I love doing this for that weathered look, and it is great that if you get a little too much in some places, you can just sand it down and blend it in. All right, so here's all 3 of my frames. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to turn them over and put the glass back in and cut a piece of this burlap roll. Again, this is great quality. It is a sewn finished edge all around, except of course where I'm cutting, but I'm just going to cut a piece of this for each of my 3 frames. And then I'm going to return the back to each frame again and secure it with the tabs that are in each corner. My last step is to use most of the words from this wall sticker. It's supposed to say, "Faith, it does not make things easy, it makes them possible," from Luke 1:37. I'm just going to use "faith makes things possible." So my last step is to just carefully peel the wall sticker from the backing and line it up to get it stuck down on the front of the glass frame. And as you can see, if you accidentally get it stuck in the wrong place, it's fairly easy to get back up off the glass. And here's what the finished product looks like, and standing up on my mantle along with my family banner. I did leave the stands on these frames so I can stand them up, but they do also have hangers on the back if I decide to hang them on the wall. Thanks so much again. I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 simple farmhouse decor DIYs using burlap materials from burlapfabric.com. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much. Bye.